I'm Simon from Coolit, and this baby here is the SR sliding door. It is a very easy running sliding door. It's the newest sliding door from Coolit, and it was designed to follow the open equipment guidelines. So we have an open track system, all screws are visible, stainless steel. There is no hollow profiles, nothing. From top to the bottom is an open wall guiding system. It is really cleanable. You can wash it down. You can see every spot because there is no hidden corners, nothing hidden encased. This is really open completely. And also here, this tilted roof, it slopes so the dirt, the water after cleaning can really go down, and we don't have these 90 degrees angles on this door. It's very easy to adjust. We have 3D dimensional adjustment possibilities. And well, what can I say? It's just a beautiful sliding door. And if you want to know more about this, send a mail to simon@coolit.de.